Imagine you are getting back into coding in Perl after a long hiatus, and you encounter an interesting problem while working on two packages within a single .pm file. The problem arises when you define a variable with the same name in two different packages, and you expect them not to conflict. You write the code for the packages config data and runtime data, each with a $instance variable. However, when you run the code, you receive a message stating that the myVariable $instance masks earlier declaration in the same scope. This confuses you because you have defined the variables in two separate packages. So why should the scopes be considered the same? The solution to this problem lies in understanding the scope of the myKeyword in Perl. The myKeyword declares variables to be local to the enclosing block, file, or eval. In the context of packages, the package statement affects only dynamic global symbols and not lexical variables created with my. Therefore, even though you define my $instance in two different packages, they still share the same scope, hence the conflict. One way to work around this is to use package blocks, where you can encapsulate the variables within a block, creating separate scopes for each package. This way, you can have variables with the same name in different packages without conflict. In the provided Perl script, we demonstrate this concept by defining the conf and edata packages within separate blocks. Each package has its own $instance variable, encapsulated within the block scope. When we create instances of conf and edata classes and access the foo attribute of each instance, we get the expected output of confs and edatas. This illustrates how using package blocks can help avoid variable conflicts in Perl when working with multiple packages in the same file. To sum up, understanding the scope of variables in Perl, especially when working with packages, is crucial to avoid conflicts and unexpected behavior in your code. By using package blocks to create separate scopes for variables within each package, you can maintain clarity and organization in your code. So next time you're coding in Perl and encounter scope issues, remember to consider the impact of variable scope within packages. And with that, happy coding, and may your Perl scripts always run smoothly. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Perl pawn. Let's keep the code funny.